Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to back up your photos with original quality on Google Photos. First, launch the Google Photos app on your device. Tap directly on your profile picture or initials icon located in the top right corner of the screen. From the overlay menu that appears, tap on the configuration row option labeled Photos Settings. At the very top of the settings panel list, tap directly on the option labeled Backup. Inside the Backup dashboard menu, scroll down and tap on the option explicitly labeled Backup Quality. Look at the quality selection choices and tap directly on the option choice labeled Original Quality. Tap Select or the back arrow to permanently lock your selection layout rules into the system framework. The system layout will instantly apply the rule, ensuring every future photo or video upload preserves its exact full resolution, file size, and raw clarity without any compression artifacts. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.